So I got that labeled as it looks like. So there's my question mark. Is that really the case? Let's see. When the input is 1, that means 4 times 1 plus 2, and I get 4 plus 2 is 6. Looks good. When the input is 2, 4 times 2 plus 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. That looks good. When the input is 3, 4 times 3 plus 2 is 12 plus 2, that's 14. Looks good still. When the input's 4, 4 times 4 plus 2, that's 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 is well, it's 18. I'm writing the wrong thing there. 18. That looks good. So does this always work? I think it always works. Those of you who had a little trouble with this, here's a way you can approach it. You know what? I'm going to rewrite this table. I'm going to skip a space here because I'm going to come back and fill something in on that space. But I'm going to skip a little space. 1 gave me 6. 2 gave me 10. 3 gave me 14. 4 gives me 18. Now what you do if you have a little trouble with this is you look at not the end result in the output, but you look at how you got it. Look at the pattern from output to output. That, yeah, when input's 2, I get 10, but that was 6 plus 4. So I'll write 6 plus 4. And when the input is 3, I get 14, but that's 10 plus 4, and 10 was 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 plus 4. This is for those of you who, like me, would have trouble seeing that pattern right off. 4 times the input plus 2. 18 is 14 plus 4. So 14 was 6 plus 4 plus 4. So one more 4. And when the input was 5, we got 22. But 22 was 18 plus 4. And 18 was 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So one more 4. And then let me go to the 6th term, 26. That's 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. One more plus 4. And I look at that and I want to notice there's some sort of relationship. Oh, let me also do this though. There's a relationship between the number of 4s and the input. It's what?
1 less than the input.
1 less. So the number of 4s is 1 less than the input. I might also write it like this. This was 6 plus 4 times 5, because multiplication is repeated addition. That's something you're going to hear a lot as you're an elementary school teacher. Multiplications, repeated addition. This 5th one, the input was 5. 6 plus 4 times 4. And then here, on the 4th one, 6 plus 4 times 3. I'm going to do a dot, dot, dot. When the input is in, what is the output? 6 plus, how many 4s? N minus 1. There's an expression. There's your input to output relationship. If I distribute the 4, 6 plus 4n minus 4, there it is, 4n plus 2. And so yes, input to output, multiply the input by 4, and then add 2 to get the output. That one works.